Entry number 80, Moises D. Fernandez Sr. Pioneer High School. Presentasyon, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jumedes Prado Jr., Corps Commander. Cadet Major Willie Kyle Postrado, S1. Cadet Major Crisel Balcueva, S2. Cadet Major Elia Bracero, S3. Cadet Major Jomari Vista, S4. Major Leader, Cadet Jody Ann Beronio. DBC Band Leader, Cadet Ian Balcueva. Company Commander, Cadet Captain Romel Perico. Company EXO, Cadet First Lieutenant Abigail Nazareno. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Mark Anthony Indigo. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Benelin Corbito. School Head, Miss Arcinia P. Fernandez. CAT Facilitator, Mr. Alejo Pumar. DBC DLC Band Trainer, Mrs. Lalaine Nabos. Major Trainer, Mrs. Anilin B. Pinero. Dr. Juan Aldicoa Band Director, Mr. Villamor B. Carinan Jr. CAT Trainer. Entry number 80, Moises D. Fernandez Sr. Pioneer High School. Presentasyon, Camarines Sur.
Entry number 80, Moises D. Fernandez Sr. Pioneer High School of Presentasyon, Camarines Sur.
Mga tugang, dyan po nagtatapos ang Category 1 kan CAT. Ngunyan po, mahiling ta po ang sarong kategorya na ini po ang ka-inut-inuting